Guys, I have upgraded my sticks on the DJI FPV RC from the standard to these extended sticks, and what I love about these are adjustable. I find stock as they are, literally out of the box, they are tall enough for me. I think if you need to make them any taller, you are going crazy. Or maybe you have short fingers and it's not tall enough. Me, I am a hybrid pincher, so I hold my sticks like so when I'm flying. And I found immediately after after installing, I felt like it felt immediately more precise and I would have much more control. From reviewing my footage that you've just seen, my first flight with these sticks, I find that it does take a little bit more time to get to 100% throttle or to do a full roll, as they are longer sticks. So if I demonstrate that to you now, that pretty much means, because they're longer, it just means that your fingers have to work a little bit harder to get them up. Whereas the shorter sticks is much more easier. So I feel like with these sticks, they are good for pinchers, hybrid pinchers, and freestyle pilots. I feel, don't quote me on this, from my personal experience using this, and obviously it's only my first flight, I feel that the original sticks from the DJI Avata 2 or the from the FPV RC 2 and the FPV RC 3, I feel those small sticks that come with the drone that are currently tucked under, I find those give me a bit more smoother cinematic flight. I'm not 100 on it because I've only done one flight with these, but I feel like because they are smaller, it makes it I'm just much more smoother with, I have more time to correct myself, if you get what I mean. Whereas with the longer ones, I would have a bit more time to correct myself, but because it's longer, I'm more just like, I don't know if it's me or if I'm just waffling, but I feel like with the shorter sticks, it's much more easier to smoothly control the drone. Whereas with the longer sticks, I might have to stretch one side a little bit further than your stick, for example, the pitch whilst I'm turning. So yeah, I did find that was a bit, I don't know if it's me. Maybe after a bit of muscle memory and a bit of consistent usage, I might get a bit more sharper with my flying. But I must say that these are a great upgrade. The only downside, they're a bit big to fit in the bags, but for me, I have the FPV rucksack, so this is perfectly fine. It doesn't have no issues with my bag, so it's a must have. I will put a link down below where I purchased mine, which was from Amazon. Same day delivery. I pretty much ordered it at 10 a.m. in the morning and it come 4 p.m. in the afternoon, so I was pretty fast delivery. The link I will provide will be affiliated. I'm just saying, you won't have to pay any extras, but it does mean I will gain a percentage or commission when you click on the link. So I must say they are perf. I don't think I'll be extending the sticks. I think I'll leave them exactly as they are, but it is nice to have the option to extend the sticks if need be. Again, if you liked this video or this helped you out with modifications you can do to your DJI FPV RC, as well as not other FPV controllers, and you feel like you may purchase this, or you have any other FPV RC modifications, drop them down below in the comments. Any questions also. Once again, if you found that this video helped you out or made you decide to buy them, leave this a like. Thanks.